Here it comes, reverse lift number 6.
We're doing it reverse order.
Here it comes. That one's to order. Yeah, Rebecca, I serviced this one. Stay on all the time.
Yeah?
Is it 4 till 5?
I don't know. Might have to click 1.
Oh, no.
Maybe not might have to click 1. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe not.
They should know button to click on the jacks and say,
And it's your turn to call it in when it
had
starts.
to get out
moving.
and sit it, sweetheart.
There you go. We could have stayed on it, in theory. Well, no, we're getting ready. We could have. But you're never. But you're never sure, though. That's the only fitting. You're never.
Maybe like 4 rides.
Yeah, we'll aim for 4. We'll aim.
And then we can press each button twice. And we can press each.
Nice chime to it. Anyway, might have to click 1.
Got to hear the chime from G on this. Even that one's doing sounds. Here we are. You're on the click, G. Second time. Oh, Sam splat it in. Never gets 6 doing it.
Never drops down this one. Your turn to click 1.
Didn't have to get out this time. Yay!
Whose turn?
My turn. Right, number 3.
Is that ride number 3?
Yeah. We had to get out of there. Out here. Haven't had to get out with you, G. Yeah, on this. We're on, we ain't.
Is that Castlepoint?
Don't know. I can't see it. Well, and then one last ride, and then.
Might has clicked 0 for the last ride.
We're gonna get stuck on 3, I think.
No.
Oh. Then we're gonna keep it up.
Your turn for the last time.
This lift's near enough for the public. Oh, public, this.
Right, let's exit. Let's X. There it goes, and that's it. This is lift number 5. Doing it reverse order today.
Alan. It's not sat. It's.
Thought it was.
Going down.
Right, just click to it.
Yeah.
Please mind the door. Doors closing. Going down. Level 0.
Always confident in these lifts.
Oh.
Always
Please
confident in
mind
these
the
lifts.
doors. Doors closing. Going up. Level 1. Doors opening.
Mind.
Please mind the doors. Going down.
Jackson.
Level 0. Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Level 1. Doors opening.
Yours is pitchy.
That's it.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Level 0. Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
Need one more ride on this one.
5's not going to be as long video
Level
as
1.
6. 5.
Doors opening.
Anyone want to get on? No.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Getting through the Jacksons quickly.
Level 0.
Say that and lift number 1 will be slow.
Doors opening.
You only got to do the up.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
I'm going to
Level 1.
What?
There you go.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
There it goes. And that's
That's
it.
it.
This is lift number 4. Anyone using it?
Number 4.
My turn again. I will have to say it. Huh?
Mark's having a ride.
Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Oh, Sam Spratling.
Level 0. Doors
Is there anyone
opening.
downstairs?
No, there is.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
We nearly didn't go up.
Level 1. Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Oh, Sam Spratling.
Never many people around in the evenings.
Level 0.
Even when we went with Dad in the evening, there was never people.
Doors opening.
Oh,
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
This is our second ride.
Going up. Level 1.
2 more. 2.
Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
oh, Sam Spratling.
Level 0.
Oh, thought he wanted to get on.
Doors opening.
My turn to click 1.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Into Oakland next.
Going up.
I think Jackson's more reliable for Oakland.
Level 1. Doors opening.
What are you gonna do? My turn to click 0 for the final
Please
time.
mind the doors. Doors closing.
When we get back up here, we'll be exiting.
Going down.
Oh, Sam Spratling.
Level 0. Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Level 1. Doors opening.
There we go.
Still
Please
it's there.
mind the doors. Doors closing.
There it goes, and that's it. This is lift number 3.
My turn, it's
2's it's there as well. No, my turn.
It didn't do any of those.
This is
How's it go?
all right this time.
4 rides on this.
Let's listen to the motors every time.
Let's get everything over. Stop so they can get security.
Your turn.
What's working?
second ride on the Oakland already. Second.
Yeah, when it's
Let's listen to it. Oh, running for the lift.
third ride already. Oh, Dean! Oh, not your C fats.
Is this third ride?
Yeah.
Your turn.
It
Today
won't.
it's not been everything. Huh? What is it?
It was gonna be Neville.
Your turn. Got the old chime back.
It's
Huh? This is- It's got the old chime back. Has it got one at G?
no.
Yes. Let's listen to it. It's got the old chime back. It's got the old. There it goes,
There it
and
goes.
that's it.
Number 2, Matt.
This is the number 2. This is the number 2. I think it's Aaron's called it. Oh, so it's Jamie could be on from the next one then.
Oh no, Jamie is coming.
Huh?
Mate. Dean.
Oh.
Oh wow. Don't stop it.
This one. Aaron, how hard do you think it'll go?
Yours.
Oh, that's a pigeon. How hard do you think it'll go?
Not very hard.
Oh, let's see. Keeps trying.
Want to stop?
Yeah. Coming on for the second one or not? Yeah. We would all have to get out if someone wants to get on.
Nearly didn't go down. It nearly didn't.
No, I was thinking about it.
I don't know if you can take that much weight.
Yeah, it can take up to 1250 kilos. That's when you'll have to worry about it stop working.
I find the less people worries, the harder it goes.
It's this in.
It went,
It keeps thinking about it. Oh, I think we may have to get out here, Jamie. Yes!
and it's smooth, and it's...
Jamie, you're going to come on again after or no?
Oh, it re-leveled!
Chaps, am I taking you in? Thank you very much.
Jamie, it re-leveled!
Just us for the last two. Just us.
Me.
What?
Just me.
Wait up here for Jamie, for us. Look at us.
Hello. Hello. You're friendly?
What could possibly go wrong when it's just Jamie? Oh!
Jamie, it went hard.
Dean! This is the Aston lift. Whoa.
Whose turn? Oh, I'll just click it.
Oh!
How come it does it?
Oh.
Two more lights.
Do you reckon we'll get trapped in here or not?
No, don't.
Don't, we don't want to be trapped in here.
No, I know.
I don't want to be trapped in this one. I don't want to be trapped in this one.
This one doesn't
Oh.
stop.
Oh wow.
Oh!
It's best not
Get in.
to. Now to get out again. That's the only problem with the escalator not working.
It is working.
No, it
No, it
isn't.
isn't. It's going to be level again.
Yeah, ready to go for a fourth. You coming on for the fourth, Jamie?
Yeah.
Hello! That was Addy, yes.
Shrek cards! do.
You coming in B&Q or is it just us?
I'm coming.
You coming in?
Yeah, I'll leave the car there.
Oh.
Jamie, what do you think of that bee?
Annoying.
Oh my god.
God.
I'm about to say let's quickly get on it before that trolley gets here. Who wants to click it?
Hopefully we get the final two rides in now.
No, it's one more.
Run! I should stop. Ooh!
Oh. Best not to shake the lift around. It's going on as it is.
You don't want it.
Stamping it won't do it. In right.
Oh, Jamie,
That's
no.
not. Oh my god.
Oh! D.
That's almonds. We're getting out here because this is our last ride. That nearly stopped the lift. That nearly.
You nearly safety brake, Jamie. Jamie, you nearly safety brake.
Nearly. And it would have been a smooth stop. And it would have. I'll push it for her because she wants to go on it.
Later.
This the lift at B&Q in Castlepoint. This the lift at B&Q in Castlepoint. Jamie.
Alright. Have fun. Bye.
Unless it just does.
Doors closing.
Good evening, that's a dramatic entrance.
Down.
Jamie sneezed! What do you think you're trapped in? Oh!
Ground floor.
This thing's a piece
Doors
of
opening.
Why?
Doors closing.
You can move it, look, see?
What is it? That it's making up this? There's this.
Lift going up.
That's not too
Yeah,
bad.
see?
That's not to stop there.
Won't stop it. You're only hitting it between the tracks.
What would
That's
stop
not
it?
me. What would stop it jumping on it?
Floor 1. Doors opening.
And we're not doing that tonight.
We don't want to
Oh,
jump.
let's let that person on.
Hey, you've got to start it.
Jamie! I've seen
Hey,
a lot of
wonder
stuff.
if he'll let you have a go
Doors
on it.
closing.
I don't know. Best not to call it, Jamie.
No, it's up here.
We can't use that one.
Oh, we can, but it's number 2. That must be 2, that one.
Yeah, and lift number 2, it says on the top.
So the staff got the better lift before we did?
Maybe they trialled it on the star.
Yeah.
How many rides on this one, Jamie? We could decide now. 3?
You want any free plywood?
No, don't need any.
Yeah,
Anyone here?
I was going to click G
Doors closing.
when we had to get out of.
Right.
Lift going down.
It used to make that noise when it was with Oakland as well.
Have you ever been on this one when it was with Oakland?
Jamie.
Yeah.
Ground floor.
What was it like? Better than this?
Doors opening.
Oh, it's better when it's hard.
Stop. Good.
Doors closing.
Do you know? It'd be this one we do with Katie,
Yeah.
Lift going up.
and the other one if it's on.
Yeah. Oh. Don't want to stop there.
I'm not doing anything.
Oh, is it the lift it's doing?
Floor 1. Doors opening.
That was the bang it was meant to do, yeah. One more ride.
But look, you can actually shoot the whole thing.
Doors closing.
Have you seen that, look?
Yeah.
It
Did
looks-
it when you went in.
Lift going down.
Is it? Oh my god. Oh no.
Sounds like he's gonna break.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
Do they make it so lifts are are not that sensitive
Doors
to people
closing.
shaking?
Yeah, they're meant to be, but...
What about
Oh, they
standing?
make it so they won't.
Lift going up.
Just feel like it's gonna break, doesn't it?
It's been doing that for ages. Oh,
Not that.
oh no.
Floor 1. Doors opening.
Thought we stopped.
There you go, that re-leveled it.
Hopefully number 4's fixed.
Doors closing.
There it goes.
Doors opening.
Hey man.
Doors closing.
There we go. And that's it.
What did I do to it?
I thought it was working then. I was going to say it wasn't working earlier. It won't do anything.
No, it's on inspection.
Is it on inspection again? Maybe they're still inspecting it. So, guess we're all good, I guess. We're all for non-seafood, like. What's doing this?
Down. Please mind the doors. Going down.
Wow!
Who's
Didn't take 100 million years at one. It
Going up.
didn't.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Floor 1. Doors opening.
you also had to click 0 again? It's gonna close in a minute.
Going down. Please mind
Bye, Jamie.
doors closing.
Oh, bang. Oh, I see.
Down.
Oh, Sam sprat in. Oh, actually, this one. Oh, only a second.
Doors opening.
My turn.
Two more points.
Going up. Doors closing. Going up.
Not seafood was last long.
Floor 1. Doors opening.
My turn to click. Is it taken 100 million years, Jamie?
Going down.
That's the third ride.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Didn't do Sam sprat in this one.
Ground floor. Doors opening. Going up.
Sweet will have been on.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going
Yeah, this is
up.
our third ride. This. So we've got one more after this one.
Floor 1. Doors opening. Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. opening.
Right at the only have to go up. We only have to.
Going up.
We only have to.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
After Jamie goes, it will be Kaz as if she's the error. After Jamie. Let's go.
Going up.
Off it.
Floor 1.
Did have enough charge of this for lift number 1.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Did have enough.
There it goes. And it's